Olivefed Wagyu Burger, decadent and delicious, cooked medium.
I'm going to show you how to do some beautiful crispy shallots. Really simple, but a nice way to elevate your burger. Very quick, chop off the ends, take a bit of that off, and then slice down the middle. What I'm going to do is we're just going to take off one layer of the shallot, like that, and then we're going to slice it very thin from the side. Then just break them all apart like this. Okay, so to cook these nice shallots, very easy. We need a pan, cold, and plenty of oil in the cold pan. And we get our shallots and put them in. We go high heat at the start until that oil starts getting hot, and then we're going to turn it down a little bit. What we'll do then is we'll just wait for them to turn colour, get nice and brown. And they won't look like they're crispy in the pan, but when you take them off the pan and you put them in kitchen paper, then they'll turn beautiful crisp. So this is the first step, and that's all we got to do for now. Full, crunchy onions. Very good. So we put them aside, and they're our garnish for our burgers. Next thing, we have some beautiful chestnut mushrooms. I'm going to just slice up for you. These are a lovely little topping, very simple to do, and you do them as your burger's resting, so real easy. So very simple for these. Just slice them like this, nice and thin. Two things you need are some nice cheddar cheese. We're going to melt that over the top of the burger. I have a beautiful mayo I made earlier, which is a habanero chili and truffle oil mayo. Now, mayo is very easy to make. In another video I'll show you how to make this, but if you don't have the time or you don't know how, you can just get a regular mayo and put it on. But the chili and truffle oil gives it a nice little bit of extra if you want to serve that super gourmet luxury burger. Now, you can take olive wagyu and you can just use it straight with nothing added. I've made a special burger mix here, which I'm not going to tell you now because I'm going to reveal the secrets in a Davidoff event in October, where we're going to teach people how to make some incredible burger mixes for burgers. But this is a mix, and I like to make the burgers fat and thick, so they're going to be super juicy. The next important thing is you get brioche for your burger bun. You can see it here. This is soft, and it's not too bready. It's not going to fall apart when you eat the burger, and it will soak up the juices from the burger in the pan as well. So that's the ideal combination. Okay, so we're going to put our burger on the pan. We have a nice cast iron pan. We seasoned the mix already, but we're going to season generously the outside as well. It's always important with a burger to season well. We're not going for a crazy sear like we would with a steak on a burger, because we're going to cook it a bit more slowly. The reason is we want it medium in the center. So here we go, and we're going to put a bit of olive oil. Not too much oil because we don't want to end up boiling our beautiful burger. In we go, very gently. There we go. Okay, we're going to turn him now, nice and gently. There we go. See, not too much of a sear. I'm keeping the shape with it there. We've got a nice temperature going. If we press it now, it's got a little bit of spring in it. So we're about medium rare. Still going to be a bit pink in the middle. So I think maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute more and we'll be where we need to be. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this off and I'm going to let it rest. And it's crucial to that meat rest, because all the juices will float down through it. So we're going to let it rest on our board there. Beautiful. What we're going to do is we are going to take our brioche bun and we're going to sear it in the juices. And we don't need to do this for very long. Just make sure the center gets a bit of it as well. And what this is going to do is it's going to give an amazing flavor to the brioche, and it's going to give it a little bit of a crunch. And this is just another elevation for your burger that's going to make it amazing. So we're now going to take the brioche off. Leave that down there. Like that. That rest. Then we've still got some nice meat juices in the pan. We're going to add some more olive oil, and then we're going in with our beautiful mushrooms. Get some nice color on those. A little bit more olive oil. Mushrooms will soak up everything in the pan very quickly. So, you know, we get that nice Olivefed fat flavor on there. Beautifully like that. Nice bit of color. Put our cheese on our burger. Alright, so we have melted the cheese, more or less how we want. So we're going to serve the burger now. It's rested, the cheese is beautiful and soft, it's just starting to melt over that burger. We lay it down over our brioche. Very simple then with our beautiful mushrooms. Put them over here like that. Now we got our wonderful crispy onions. Fantastic. Over here. Put as many of those on as you want. You can almost never have too many of these crispy onions. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our beautiful fresh mayo, habanero and truffle oil, and we're going to nicely spread it on the burger here. So there we go. Now we got just a beautiful combination of flavors, that crispy onion, the earthiness of the mushrooms, the incredible Olivefed Wagyu Umami Burger, and the cheddar cheese. So we're gonna cut this in half now. Show you what we got inside. So, perfectly cooked, juicy, absolutely delicious. And that's how we do an Olivefed Wagyu burger. It's the best of the best burger you can get.